Hello everyone. So today on the Vintage Vacuum Cleaner Deep Clean tests, we are putting this 1981 Hoover Portapower S1015 through its paces. Now I must apologise for the brown cleaning head. When I got this cleaner, it came with the hose and the rods, but it didn't come with a cleaning head. So this is a slightly later one in bran, as you can see. I don't have a white one. So yeah, we're going to have to go with the brown, and the cat is walking by again. Thank you very much. Okay, so how will the Portapower do? Straight suction, single brush on the head, cat walking past. There she goes. So there's only one way to find out how this is going to do. Test. Step 1, thoroughly clean the test carpet with the Shark AX950 UKT. Step 2, weigh out exactly 100 grams of sand. Step 3, sprinkle the sand onto the test carpet. Step 4, agitate the sand into the carpet using a brush. Any sand that comes outside of the game area is pushed back in. And we are ready to test. Okay, let's weigh the machine's dust bag. Now we're just going with the cloth bag for this test. We've got no paper bags, and we are at 64 grams. Okie dokie. Okay, I'll be ready for this. This is going to be interesting. Good luck, little Portapower. Oh, just a little FYI, the brushes are out on the head, just to help it along a bit. I think straight suction would be, well, it is straight suction, you know, but without the brushes, I think that might be a bit too much for it to get anything up. Oh, bless it. Okay, here we go. Alexa, timer, 30 seconds.
30 seconds, starting now.
Oh, okay, let's weigh the bag. So we started with a bag weight of 64 grams and we ended up with 154. That's not bad. Well, I think we can say that our little Portapower has done a very good job. It did not disgrace itself. Well done. So it actually managed, there she goes again, to pick up 90% of the sand. And I think actually that's pretty bloody good for such a simple little vacuum cleaner. It ties with the Constellation. So yeah, quite impressive. Well done. That's it for this video, guys. I will see you next time. Take care. Bye.